again. So this is Monday's final video. You might have noticed that I'm experimenting with putting these on purple mash. This was based on a conversation that I had with Mrs. Malvern and Mrs. Burley on Friday. We've also had a couple of parents saying that they don't like their children going on YouTube. So we thought this might be a way forward. So do please let me know if this works out for you, if you can see it okay on purple mash. And then we'll just keep posting them on Purple Mash instead of on the YouTube channel, or both if we need to. Alright, so intelligent practice then. Let me just grab a pen so I can go over a couple of bits for you. So it says complete the table and write down the rules. So there are two different tasks here. So number of bicycles, number of wheels. One bicycle has 2 wheels. You need to work out how many wheels there are on 2 bicycles, 5 bicycles, 16 bicycles, and then work backwards as well. So if you've got 18 wheels, how many bikes are there? If you've got 24 wheels, how many bikes are there? So I'd then like you to write down a rule as well. So it could be that you write down number of wheels equals something. Okay, think about the number of bicycles. Then over here, number of ants. I'm giving you a nice little cartoon of an ant just in case you don't know how many legs ants have. So one ant has so many legs. If you're not sure how many legs there are and you can't count for some reason on here, you could work it out from this one. 2 ants have this many legs. And then you need to fill in the gap. So working backwards on these two again, so using the inverse operation. Next task, again, there's 4 of them. So it's giving you the input, it's giving you the rule, you just need to do the output. So remember, these are called function machines. So the input goes in, this is the function bit, and then the output. So hopefully you'll be okay with that one. So now this one is working the opposite way. It has given you the input, it's given you the function, it's given you the output. So you need to work out the input. So you need to work backwards and use the inverse, the opposite operation. Okay? And on this one, what is the missing function? So your objective is to find the rule when there is only one step. So can you find the rule that fits every single one of these? It is the same rule for each one. So I just need one missing function in this box here. It is the same function machine. Same here. This is the same function machine. There is one function. You need to work out what is happening to each one, and it's the same. There are then some missing boxes to fill in. So if the input is 0, you do the function that you've worked out. What's the output? If the output is 0, do the inverse. What's the input? True or false? If the input changes, then the output changes, but the function remains the same. So just a little true or false one at the end there. Just briefly show you dive deeper as well. So there are 4 tasks today. It would be awesome if you could have a go at least 1 or 2 of them, everyone. So Eva has a 1-step function machine. She puts in the number 6 and 18 comes out. What could the function be? And is there more than one different answer? It's only a 1-step function machine, so it can only be one thing. But see if you could work out different ways of doing it. That would be a nice one to have a go at. Amir puts some numbers into a function machine. You need to work out what's happening each time and what is the output from the function machine when the input is 16. So if we had 16 down here, what would the output be? Okay, so a little bit of working out for you to do there. Dora puts the number into the function machine. Input divided by 2 is output. Some information here about Dora's number. Can you work out what her number is and what her output is? Okay, have a think about that one. And then in a function machine, if the input is 3 and the output is 12, what could the function be? Write down 2 different functions and complete the table of outputs. So one function here that it could be to go from 3 to 12, and then a separate one here. Again, that would be quite a nice one to have a go at. If you find that one a bit tricky, have a go at this one instead. Okay, that's all for Monday. So if you could please message me or your class teacher on Dojo or on Purple Mash and just let us know how these videos have worked out being on Purple Mash. That would be awesome. For today, I will post them on YouTube as well, so we'll see how it goes. Right, I will see you on Tuesday.